Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. Now it's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to see what's new on the shelves. Now I love sharing all of the new finds with you guys so you know what to look out for on your next trip, so we're going to dive in. Now as soon as I walked into this Dollar Tree, the ornament wall was fully stocked. I was so excited to see all of these items and spotted some new ornaments that I have never seen before. So this one here is a gold star and it's embellished with all kinds of Christmas little accents. They also have this style in white as well, so you could choose between the two. And I also saw this little deer. Now this one was here last year, but it is one of my favorites for the tree and also tray decor. They also have it in a brown glitter as well with that same Christmas embellishment. And I also found one in like a glitter style with a goldish color, also really cute. Now they have these foam blocks that are covered with fabric and decorated to look like little presents. How cute are these for the Christmas tree or tiered tray decor? So super cute. And this was new to me. I've never seen these round beaded wreaths. They have little Christmas embellishments on them. I also saw them in a star shape. So these were new at my store this year. And check out this little owl. This has to be my favorite owl from year to year. I just love the detail that they put into this. So super cute. And they also have this one here with a red and black buffalo check color in the front. Now the little churches are back. These are such a large size ornament, you guys. This is a good size for $1.25. Now check out these baby booty looking ornaments. Now these come in a 2-pack. I think that these are so super adorable. They had them in 2 different colors, and here's the second one with the little pom-pom balls. Just super cute. Now they also had some round Christmas ornaments. This one's like a bottle cap design. This one had Merry Christmas with a deer on it. They had a second one with a snowman and a Christmas tree, also in the bottle cap design with some green embellishment on the top. Now they have the candy canes. These are the crisscross candy canes that are covered in red and white garland and red and green garland with a cute little bow. And check out these clay ornaments. I've never seen these. They had a gnome, they had an elf, they have Santa Claus there. They also had an angel and Mrs. Claus. I am so excited to see these at my Dollar Tree. And here's more of the churches that I found hiding on the side. These are some red glitter ones, and they also had some in a muted silver color. Now look at these. These little ornaments are back. They're like a really thick board. They have the deer design. Here is one with a little Christmas. They have a little glitter on there and some Christmas embellishments. And here is one with the little snowflake as well. Now here's another deer, super cute. I love this one. I love the antlers on these, so decorative. I saw it in white. I also saw it in a gold color, really cute. And they had another color, which is this muted silver as well. Now I featured snowflakes in my last video, but these are another size that come in a 6-pack. So if you're looking for the white ones with iridescent flakes or these clear ones, you could get the 6-count pack, which is a medium size at the Dollar Tree. Now these Christmas toppers are a favorite of mine. I love DIYing with these, and they are back. They had them in silver and gold. Now look at these little campers. These come in a 2-pack for the ornaments. They are back this year, really popular last year, so I'm glad to see those back. And they also had these little deer. I only saw 1 pack of these in the gold color, but they may come in other colors as well. Now they had these little 3-pack of poinsettias. This store actually had them in silver and red. Now I did spot some towels. These are really cute Christmas towels. They had season's greetings from our gnome to yours, and they had chilling with my gnomies in a Christmas theme for these little towels. Now they also started putting out stockings. I love this red ones with the snowflake. I believe I saw that last year, but they also have these two gnome style stockings in red and gray, and they're just starting to put these out, so I'm excited to see what they'll have next week. Now I took a trip down the crafting supply aisle for Christmas and saw a few more fun things that I just had to share with you guys. So I saw these little wood cutouts that have the little candle in the back and a snowman, a Santa, and a gnome. Really cute to customize and decorate. But this was an awesome find. This is my first year finding these little cutout Christmas trees. They also had them in little cutout snowman. These come in 8-pack and these are solid wood. Now they also had one more in the shape of the angel. I love using the snowman and the Christmas trees as feet for trays. Such a great idea. I'm just so glad I found them in the store and didn't have to order them online this year. Now check out these little decorative ornaments that you could decorate in 5-packs. They had the star, they had a gnome. Here's one in a little Christmas bulb with little star cutouts, which is really cute. And they had the car with the Christmas tree on top. Now I love these DIY 3D craft kits. They come with so many pieces inside, and this one is a snowman theme, and they also had one with a Santa theme. You could use it as a 3D design, or you can use the individual pieces for different crafts that you may be working on. Now check out these trinket boxes are back. I love these. They had them in the shape of a bell. They also had some in the shape of a Christmas tree, and I know they carry the shape of a star as well, and I love using these for DIYs. Now these little metal stand characters are really cute. They have this little bear. Here's Santa Claus right here. They have a penguin with a Santa hat and a snowman. These would look so cute spread across a mantle with some garland and lights. So adorable. Now they also have these little wood cutout sets and glitter. They had snowflakes, trees, and they also had some in the traditional Christmas colors that you could use. I saw 2 different styles of these today at my Dollar Tree. And check out these miniature Christmas trees. So much fun using these for crafting. These are the perfect size to fit into those little clear bulbs. I saw them in the traditional green. I also saw some in gold here, really fun. And I saw some in white. Now over on the side, I did see some more in a silver color. So they had all the colors that you could choose from. Now check out these floral picks. The picks are back. I'm so excited. These are really big picks compared to the ones I've seen before. They have some with poinsettias, light bulbs. They have the pine cones, silver, gold, red, so many different colors. You could use these as is. You could cut them apart to use them in different crafts. There's so many ways you could use these in your decor. Now I did find a box of these. These are other different pieces that you could decorate for your wreaths or arrangements. Now these are all glitter and kind of muted colors. They do shed quite a bit, so you will have to seal them, but I love that they have the little balls and the little swirls in all kinds of different colors if you're looking for a more muted or champagne style of colorway. Now they had all of their really cute foam cutouts for your crafts. Now all of these come in 12 packs. I saw this gingerbread man. I saw some snowflakes in white. They also have some as Christmas trees. And I did also see some in a blue snowflake as well. Now up top they had the little angels as well, and if you don't want to use these as is, you can always cut them out and use them for other projects. Now check this out, they had 2 new gnome signs, welcome and believe, in your decor, and my Christmas trees have finally arrived at my Dollar Tree in white, and I'm waiting for the other colors to come. Now these plates were new at my Dollar Tree. This one has cookies for Santa. They had baking spirits bright, which was really cute, and they also had another one that said cookies for Santa. I love that one, so adorable. And then the last one was a gnome theme that had a home sweet gnome, perfect for sitting out cookies for Santa. Now the little buckets are back in the little Santa suit design. Really cute, perfect for packing little gifts and treasures in. And then I saw these 2-pack of gnomes with the knitted hats. They come on a stick, so you could stick them inside of an arrangement. You can attach them to a gift. So many different ideas for those. And then they had this Santa stocking holder. I only found one, so I don't know what other designs this comes in, but for $1.25, that's a good deal. Now they also had the felt kits available, just like they do for all seasons. I saw a gingerbread man. I did see a Christmas one. The thing I love about these kits is everything is included. You don't need to search for other pieces and parts. So these are perfect if you want to do a quick craft, especially for kids, or if you just want to do something really quick. Such a great deal for $1.25. And the ribbon is out. All kinds of wired ribbon for your Christmas holiday. Now, I don't know about your Dollar Trees, but at mine, ribbon goes quickly. The ladies were just putting this out. There were actually people waiting for the boxes to hit the shelves. So if you are looking for all these types of ribbon for Christmas, you definitely want to grab them as soon as you can, because they will not last if you wait until November. Now, I went over to the Dollar Tree Plus and check it out. Their Christmas leaning signs are back. Farm fresh Christmas trees, home for the holidays, joy to the world, all the Christmas themes for these leaning signs, and they are only $5, you guys. Such a really great deal for a tall leaning sign for display on your porch or inside your home. Now, they also had this huge bag of pom-poms. This comes in a 24-pack in the Christmas colorway. So cute to do your crafts with, already made. And then they also had these large gnomes in the plus section. They have a beaded bottom, so they're weighted, they don't move around, and all the fun Christmas themed characters. Now I went over to the craft section and look what I have spotted, the wood slices. These come in a 2-pack. These are really a great size to craft with. They also have this cutting vinyl. Now this is the iron-on. My first time finding the iron-on vinyl. They had it in solid colors and glitter colors. So if you're into vinyl, check out your Dollar Trees. They now have iron-on. Now if you have a Cricut Joy, they have a standard grip mat also at the Dollar Tree, which was really surprising to find. Now another thing that I found in the craft section are these cute little wood clips. These have a little cactus theme, and they also had some with little llamas. How adorable is this for all of your little crafts? Now in home decor, I found these vases. Now I have used these before in a DIY, but they disappeared and now they are back. Very heavyweight and great quality. And then I found these ones with the raised dots. Get in my cart. I love these. I did grab a few of these to craft with. I think that these are so nice and such great quality. Now, I must have missed out on this earlier this year, but this is one of those metal candle holders. You put a candle inside. I've never seen these before. There was only one on the shelf, so I was really excited to get the last one. Now, over in the toy section, all of the little Arthur characters are in stock. If you have an Arthur fan in your household, these would make great stocking stuffers that are $1.25. And then in the dollhouse section, I found these 2-pack of chairs. I've seen the other items, but I've never seen these chairs. But I did grab one. I think I have an idea for you guys for a DIY. Now, if you missed my last video featuring more new Christmas and fantastic finds like this tier trade at Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now listen, I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with all of my finds, my DIY videos will be on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so set your alarms so you don't miss it. Now, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what was your most exciting find at Dollar Tree recently. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.